Hello guys, good morning. Today is a very good day because I have taken a lot of challenges. Let's see whether I can complete it or not, but I will try my level best because I have determined that till the new year or the first day of 2021, I have to reduce my weight. Right now, my weight is 76 kg as per the BMI. It should be around 50 to 68. So I have set my target to make it 64 kg in the next 3 months. Today is the third day, and day by day I am increasing my activity, my physical activity. I have started from cardio, from simple body weight warm up exercises, and now I am moved to the running jogging mix up of this. And also I have studied a lot about the calories, how much calories I have to consume to maintain my metabolism, my digestion, and some of the normal activity that I usually do at site or at my office. Apart from that, I will try to make a calorie deficit of around 1000 calorie. So by this way, I will lose more weight than usual. So I will be following a very simple diet, and I will just make a little changes in my food and in diet. That's all. So what I have planned in my morning diet is in the breakfast I will take just early morning I will take some warm water with lemon. Then I will go for some kind of fruits too, maybe a banana and an apple mix, or maybe a banana and a kiwi. And then after 10 or 20 minutes of workout, I will be doing body weight workout or normal squat, crunch, all this kind of whatever I can do at home, I will do that. And then I will immediately go for oatmeal and milk. No sugar. I have committed myself that there should be no sugar, no extra salt, especially the iodized salt and the refined sugar. And so after oatmeal and milk, it will be 1 cup of milk and half cup of oatmeal. So it will come around 350 calorie. Milk will be around 200 calorie, and the oatmeal of half cup will be around 150. So it will be 250 calorie. So this will be my morning, and then after few hours, 2 or 3 hours, I will take 2 eggs. So this will be my breakfast, which is a kind of heavy I will take. Then I will be taking in the lunch, I will be taking a healthy meal that my company provides. That will be like a roasted beef or chicken. I'm sorry if you don't like beef or if it is prohibited in your country, but here it is allowed where I am living or working. So I will take any lean meat, any red meat, especially in the roasted form or in the dry form. So there will be no extra salt or masalas, especially Indian masalas. And then with that healthy meal of roasted chicken or beef or mutton or maybe sometime chicken, whatever it is, there will be a soup that my company provides, maybe a corn soup, maybe a chicken soup, and then some salad item from cucumber, onion. No, I think there's no onion, but there is a variety of salad that our company provides. So I will be surviving on that in the lunch. And then in the night, I will try to consume as less as possible in the dinner. So I am thinking to survive by some almonds and a light quantity of milk, any kind of nuts or lentils or anything that I can consume in light, a very less amount like 100 gram or something. So like this I will try, and I will try to improve, I will try to add more and more diets. But my main target is to hit only 1300 to 1500 calorie. As per the expert, I should go not beyond than 1500 calorie. But to make the calorie deficit, I must have to decrease more calories. Then I have to reduce the calorie intake of around 500 to 1000. Then I burn. So I will be focusing more on burning, as well as I will be targeting my diet as well. So this was all about my first week 1 update, and every week I will be giving an update about my weight. So currently, as I told you, my weight is 76 kg, which is way more than I should have. And then I am getting some white hair. In my next videos, I will tell you what I have planned to make it black again, because whatever can be white, see, there is in white hair there could be some problem. First is genetic problem. Okay, let's discuss this on the next topic in the next video. So as in my diet, I will be trying to improve this vitamin C intake more and more, and then copper intake more, and whatever things that can make my hair again black. Because whatever things is getting gray or white immaturely, if you are less than the required age where you should get white hair, you can easily transform it back. You can reverse it back. You just have to adjust your diet, and you have to start taking some supplement, not the market supplement or the medicines. Just you have to control on your diet and take something extra that you have never taken, like fish, like olive oil, and like eggs, because you need some protein. Because the white hair usually comes from the decrease in melanin. So your hair follicles actually stops producing melanin. So when they stop producing, you have to give something to your hair follicles to provide you melanin, to produce more and more melanin. So I will be working on this to my health issues, and more than that, I will be doing some other activities, like I am preparing for Canada. So I have my IELTS exam that still I have not scheduled it, but I will be appearing, and my target is band 10. So there's a lot of things coming on my channel. I will be doing all these things. Okay. So hope you have liked. This is just my personal experience, that I want to transform my health from a fat guy to a fit guy. So it is my health transformation from fat to fit, and overall health transformation plus some career commitment. Okay, I hope you would have liked this video and it will motivate you, because as you can see, my weight is really too much. You know, I'm looking so bad. Can you see? I have got man boobs as well. So I know how to attack on all these things, but I was lazy. So this time I have committed. I have given myself a 3 months of nice period. That's enough to transform your body into anything. So in the next week, I will share another video on my health transformation. Thank you. Bye bye.